Hello, good evening to good morning, good evening to anybody watching. Today I'll be discussing on memory cache mapping techniques. The presentation is being done by myself, Ernestine Towalbeck. So first, we'll start with what is caching. Now I'll explain the meaning of caching to you so that you get an idea as we go through the topic. So caching is the process of temporarily storing data to serve future requests faster. Yes, it's a very simple definition. Think of it like your web browser saving images so that it does not need to download them again every time you visit a website. You know, no need to it's like no need you don't need to reload every single page anytime you go to the web browser again. So why people use caching? As I said, you don't need to reload pages again, so it reduces the server load. It improves the response time. That's when your page appears, like the response time to when you open a page. It enhances user experience, meaning it is very easy to use. There's mild lagging as you use it, and it saves bandwidth. Now there are many types of caches. One includes the memory cache, the disk cache. Other types also are the Redis and the memd caches. And the one we have here, the content delivery network caches. Yes. So the memory cache stores data in your RAM, which is ultra fast, and the disk cache stores data on your hard drive or your SSD. It's quite slower but more persistent. Then I'll talk about caching strategies. Point one, we have something called the write back. Now with this, the write back, data is written to the cache first and later updated in the main storage. And the cache aside, into brackets, lazy loading. From the name you could get an idea, considering the definition for the write back. So cache aside is the data is loaded into the cache only when requested. If it's not in the cache, it's fetched from the database. And lastly, time to live, a form of cache, TTL, sets how long data stays in the cache before it's considered expired or invalid. Some real world applications of cache, something we all see. That is what this part is for. So basically, faster website load times. When your website is loading very fast with minimal lagging, it means the caches are working effectively, or maybe you have a good cache technique which is being used. There are smoother app performances when it comes to the mobile app, using a mobile application. There's reduced database and server load. Now when your database is stacked, it affects the user experience. It would make the user experience lag. So when your database is reduced, which is by the help of the cache, like, there's a difference. And there's better scalability of high traffic systems also. And benefits and challenge. Yeah, everything has its benefits and some challenges the cache using caches may have. So the benefits includes low latency, very high speed, better resource usage. Challenges include challenges include challenges include managing memory usage, handling cache invalidation. basically we've covered all what caching has to do, and yeah, I would like to conclude. So caching is a powerful tool when used correctly. It helps optimize performance, improve scalability, and deliver a better user experience. So it the idea behind caching is improving a good user experience, reduction in latency, and also where is it and also high speed page loading, and yeah, stuff like that. So my name is Ernest. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Comment, like, and share, and also subscribe.